In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a CC shortcut in Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to emails, knowing how to efficiently use the CC feature can save you valuable time. So let's dive in and enhance your Gmail productivity. To start, make sure you have your Gmail account open. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and get to your inbox. Once you're there, we're ready to move on to the first real step. From your inbox, you'll want to begin composing a new email. This step sets the stage for everything we're about to do next, so click on the Compose button, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. As your new email draft pops up, this is where the magic begins. Here's where we use a handy keyboard shortcut to activate the CC or carbon copy field. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl, Shift and C together. Meanwhile, if you're on a Mac, it's just as easy with the CMD, Shift and C keys. This quick keyboard command will open the CC field beneath the to line in your email draft, making it ready for input. Now let's talk about why we use the CC feature. By adding addresses in the CC field, you can keep additional people in the loop without making them the main recipient of your email. It's perfect for when you need others to view the correspondence without directly involving them in the conversation thread. So after you've opened the CC field with the shortcut, go ahead and type the email address of the recipient you wish to CC. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure your message reaches the right person. The great thing about Gmail is that it often auto-suggests contacts as you type, which can speed things up considerably. Once the address is entered, you're free to move on with writing the content of your email. Now that you know how to quickly add CC recipients, you can continue crafting your email. Whether it's a quick note or a detailed message, compose your thoughts as usual. When you're satisfied with your email, it's time to send it off. Review everything to ensure it's all set and complete, and then hit the send button when you're ready. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to use CC shortcuts in Gmail. By mastering this simple technique, you've made your email routine that much faster and smoother. We hope this little tip helps you stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips.